In the tranquility of a lush forest, one can hear the soft rustling of leaves, a reminder that every moment holds beauty. Breathing in the fresh scent of pine, the act of inhalation becomes more than just a necessity. It transforms into a ritual of presence. Each exhale releases not only air, but the worries of yesterday, grounding the mind in the here and now. A wise quote resonates: "Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished." This serves as a gentle nudge to slow down, to observe. Embracing this rhythm allows one's spirit to flourish, discovering peace in the simplest of moments.